What is the Infinite Campus Parent Portal? The Infinite Campus Parent Portal is an online website and mobile application where parents can obtain updates on their students' progress, including grades, assignments, attendance, and assessments. It allows parents to complete the online registration and make changes to email and contact preferences. The application also keeps the most current immunization records. Parents are encouraged to use the Parent Portal to help monitor their child's grades, attendance, and assignments to help them stay on track. When parents have access to their children's academic progress, they are better equipped to support their learning at home. It also allows parents and teachers to communicate more effectively. Visit washoeschools.net and click the Family Portal button. Select Campus Parent and enter your username and password. Once logged in, on the first page, you will see messages from the district, school, and notes from teachers. On the left-hand side, there is a menu of options available for each of your students. A summary of each course will show how many absences and tardies your child has per class. To check your child's grades, make sure you have selected the current term, then select a subject. This will take you to a more detailed page showing homework, classwork, class participation, tests, quizzes, and grades for that subject. To check your child's schedule, select the current term. For middle and high school students, most schools will have a different schedule each day. This information can help you better monitor current classes. Under Student Information, you can find your child's assessments and immunization records. If your child is struggling, use the Parent Portal to monitor their progress and work with your child and their teacher for help and guidance. Download the app to receive push notifications. Have a great school year, WCSD!